Aries, Sun, and Rising, you are feeling a burst of inspiration this month with the Page of Wands as your tarot card theme. The energetic signature of this card reflects a youthful vibe, someone who is optimistic and open to exploring new paths and ideas. It corresponds to the element of fire, which is your element, and the dates associated with this card are July 21st through September 22nd. So these dates may be of relevance to some of you. Now, whatever your current focus is on for the next few weeks, you are being invited to embrace a sense of adventure as you take bold steps out of your comfort zone. Now, the Page of Wands is a card of intuition and spiritual growth. If you are feeling restless, Aries, it's likely that your soul is urging you to explore different options and to experiment with what truly resonates with you. Something to keep in mind is that mid-month on the 16th, Mars, which is your ruling planet, squares off with Sirius Saturn. Now, this transit combined with Mercury in retrograde may slow down your progress. If this happens, work with this energy by considering this your cue to take a step back for a few days. Use this time to review the details of your plans or to just shift your focus to something else for a bit. Now, things will begin to open back up for you after the full moon in Aquarius on the 19th. And then by around the 22nd, when the sun enters the sign of Virgo, you will be channeling your motivation into decluttering both your mental and physical space to make room for the changes that you are ready to implement. Now, by the end of August, Aries, you will begin to see a positive shift take place. The full moon on the 19th may have brought with it some new people or fresh perspectives. Mercury will be stationed direct and Venus will be in the sign of Libra, which is your 7th house of partnerships. So it will be an auspicious time for you to build solid, supportive partnerships and connections. And this can apply to love, business, or friendships. So Aries, the month of August is setting the stage for new ideas, opportunities, and growth. You have a vision in mind, and the Page of Wands upright as your tarot card theme is a sign that the universe is encouraging you to pursue it with the passion and enthusiasm that my Aries, Sun, and Rising signs are known for. You, of all people, know in your heart that all great things start with the spark of inspiration. Okay, Aries, that was quite a reading for you this month. If you found these messages helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. I love you, Aries. Have a wonderful month.